Hello, everybody. Cindy Greenway here, Editor-in-Chief at lawmarketing.com, and I'm here with Terrie Wheeler, the President and Founder of Professional Services Marketing, LLC. And Terrie, I'd love to talk to you today about marketing plans. And I know these are almost like evil words to many attorneys, but let's talk about the importance of marketing plans. Because I know, many attorneys are out there, they're just trying to find clients, they're just, looking to work with their clients and so on. They don't always sit back and really focus on developing a plan. So why is marketing plan so important? And talk to us about when attorneys should start looking at that. Is now the right time? Is the new year? Is middle of the year? Talk to us about those pieces.
Okay, Cindy, thank you for having me today. First of all, I would like to say that marketing planning is something that should be top of mind with attorneys throughout the course of the year. And I think one of the big mistakes that lawyers make is they think, well, my firm asked me to do a marketing plan, so I did it, and now it's done, and they view it as an assignment. Whereas I strongly believe that it makes so much sense now, especially at the end of the year, to first of all take a step back, look at your practice last year, assess what went well, what didn't go well, where did I spend my time that I probably shouldn't have, how did I do in terms of generating new revenue versus expanding work with existing clients. Who are my competitors? If I lost business, to whom did I lose it and why? Look at everything that's worked and your audiences, because what you need to do then is you need to turn that into a roadmap. So don't even call it a marketing plan. Just call it a roadmap for where you want to go next year. Because if you don't have one, it's really hard. Lawyers will say, well, I just want to generate a lot of new clients. But you need to get more specific. So what's really important, Cindy, is that you take that assessment that you did and that you roll it into a concise marketing plan. It doesn't have to be pages long, but what it does have to cover is, who am I marketing to? Who are my audiences? What are my messages? You're going to have different marketing messages for every different audience that you have. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all message. No. You have to subtly tweak those messages. Then you have to say, what do I want to accomplish? What are my objectives? Not just that I want to grow revenue, but that I want to attract 10 new clients who are each going to generate $10,000 to $15,000 matters or cases. You need to be very, very specific about that. Then you need to look at how you're going to implement that marketing plan using what I call the 4 pillars of marketing. And they're pretty basic. I don't know if you want me to tell people what those are about.
Yes, please do.
So in terms of your implementation, the 4 pillars of marketing cover retaining and growing relationships with your existing clients, contacts, referral sources. It's leveraging the very best of what you have. The second pillar of marketing is all about developing new business and establishing relationships with people who may not know you yet but should. The third pillar of marketing is all about increasing and expanding your name recognition and awareness in the marketplace. And that's where you get into things like social media, public relations, potentially some advertising on a limited basis. Then the fourth pillar of marketing is all about targeted and effective communications. How am I going to keep my knowledge and expertise in front of the people who will refer business to me and those who will hire me as clients? So that's why marketing planning is really important for lawyers. It gives you a roadmap. It's like your discovery and case strategy. It's like your due diligence and strategy before doing a deal. You wouldn't possibly think about giving your clients advice until you've done that strategic assessment of their situation.
Right. And those are really good points, Terrie, and I love how you've just kind of diminished the word marketing plan to something so simple, just like a roadmap, and I think the marketing plan, it freezes people up. I don't know, where do I start? What do I put in here? Where do I get that information and so on? We practice law. We don't always focus on the business side of the law. So, Terrie, those are really great tips once again. Thanks again for that, and I know we're going to be talking to you real soon. Tell people where they can find you at psm-marketing.com, is that right?
That is the place. That's our website, and we'd love to have you visit us.
Great. Thank you so much, Terrie. We'll talk to you again soon.
Thanks, Cindy.